It's an immense field. Neuroscience, it's already very big, but the tinnitus field. It's also very big. I would say that so some people are trying to understand the mechanisms of tinnitus. So the mechanisms that will ultimately cause this neural aberrant perception, the emergence of this neural aberrant signal. And so there are other people trying to record, to characterize this aberrant signal. Okay, so the mechanism, one part, and the second part, the signal that is directly related to the perception. So this is two things, two different things. If we can separate, it's difficult to separate. But I think, yeah, it's a way to separate things. And I think also we can separate the animal research and human research. On human research, of course, it's difficult to study the mechanisms because we cannot record directly in the brain, and so we cannot be being invasive. So what is done mostly, I think, in human studies. So it's trying to get some neural correlate of tinnitus. So trying to record the neural signal, so causing tinnitus. The problem is we have only indirect measure. So we are recording the neural activity from outside the brain, and so sometimes it's possible to record inside the brain, but it's on epileptic subjects. And so in human subjects, so there is the search for the neural correlate of tinnitus, and otherwise it's clinical stuff.